Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how we can use the web dialer option for the NeoDove, and it will be very beneficial for the iPhone users. So let's get started. First, doing that, what we have to do, we have to open our browser, and you just have to go to app.neodove.com/login. And if you go here, you will be redirected to this page. And if you are a organization admin or a manager, you will be going inside this page, which is basically your main portal. And if you want to go to the dialer, you have to click on here, and then only you will be able to come here. But if you are an executive, you don't have to come here. You won't be able to come here. You will be directly coming to that page. So I'm going to show you. If you are a executive, you cannot log in into that page. You will be only able to see this page. And if you are clicking here, you can see that there is no option for you to access that main page. So now we can see that if we are having my campaign section, if I'm clicking on my campaigns, these are the campaigns which I have been assigned with. I'm going to click on start calling, and you can see that the contact history is here. I'm going to see like who is this, like what are the history with this lead, and I'm going to click on this. And now I can see that I got a notification in my phone. And if I'm clicking on call now, the call will be started. And you can see that the calling, after doing the calling, you can go back here, and then if it is connected, you click on yes, connected, and then start typing whatever information you have got from your customer. So now I'm going to type everything which the customer has told me. I have all those information right now. And I'm going to set the time for the calling. uh, Okay, so now we can see that there is an option for you to send the message or email. So if you have that WhatsApp option, you can click on here, and it will be redirected to the WhatsApp page, and you can click on this, and you can directly send that message. And if you go back, you can see that there is an option for you to send email. And if you don't have that email, you can also check whether it is available here. And now we can see that it is available here, and we can go and click on email and paste it over here. So that also will be able to send via email, and you can just click on send. It will be gone. And after clicking on next, you can see that the same options which you can get from your mobile application, that can be also get here, if it is in progress or not. And click on hot or cold if the tag of the customer, and click on the next follow update. So just like how we are doing in our mobile application, we can do that here also. And we can click on submit. So right after clicking on submit, the next lead will be coming. You can see the contact history, the last time what we have done with that customer, in which state he is in. We can able to see everything. After that, if you try calling him, and if he is not connecting, what we can do, we can come here, we can click on not connected, we can click on did not pick. And as you can see, there is an option for you to click on break. So if you are not clicking on break, you cannot go back to that page, or only you can minimize it. But even though if you are minimizing, you cannot go and do anything. So only way you can access anything is that if you click on break. If you click on break, you can see that this option will be here. After clicking on this option, you can click on submit. After clicking on submit, you can see that the next lead is not automatically coming, because we have clicked on that break button. And so the next thing what we can do is we can go and see this option over here, which is a plus. So in this, if you click on plus, just like in your mobile application, you can add the lead manually over here, and you will be able to add that manually over here and assign the whichever campaign you want to assign this lead to. That can be done here. So after doing that, you can see that lead is submitted. There is also an option for you to to search the contact number or via contact name. So I'm going to search that number via contact name, and if I'm clicking on search, I can see that there are different numbers with same name. So that can be also viewed, and we can also call this number if you want to. And if you click on back, you will be also able to see an advanced search button, and you can also see a sorting button over here. You can sort out this based on ascending date or descending date, creation date. And you can also filter this accordingly, where if you are having a campaign named as November, and if you're having uh, a follow up today, you if you want to know like which follow up I'm having from the campaign November, you can also do that here. If you click on search, you can see that I'm having a follow up today or from that campaign. So that's how we can advanced search this, and see if there is any follow ups. And there are also other options for you to filter out. And if you go back, you can see that there is also an option for you to click on my leads. If you click on my leads, you can see unattempted calls or new calls, follow-up leads. If you click on view, you can see the follow-up leads, which are when is the time that can be seen here. The lead will be coming. If you want to call, you can call. If you click on close, it will be gone. And you can also see the notifications where you can see the walk-in lead. So I just added a walk-in lead. You can see which was that walk-in lead. You can see that the walk-in lead is this, and you can call that if you want. And also, if there is any follow-up lead coming, that will be notified here. You can just keep a track on that. So if you go back, you can also see my task. So my tasks is basically, if you go here and if you made any calls, for example, if you're having my leads, a follow-up, and if I'm going to, make the call, and if I'm going to assign this person, if I'm having this number to get assigned to some other user, I can do that. I can just click over here, I can assign it to some other user, and I can also give that deadline if you want, and you can also put the remarks over here. So that can be done, and that will be coming here in this section. If you go back, you can see this in this my tasks, it will be coming here, and you will be notified also if you are having any upcoming task. And you can also see if you yourself gave any task, you can see it over here. And if you come back, you can also see a my report section. If you click on my report section, you will be able to see the reports, how many calls you have attempted, how many calls is connected, our call time, everything can be seen here. And if you want to see data, if you want to see another dates, you can also do that. So if you go back, these are the main things which you will be using. Hope you are having an amazing experience with NeoDove application. Thank you for watching.